Welcome guys, in this video I will write the Python program for the second exercise of chapter 8. This is the sum of digits in a string program. This program will ask the user to enter a series of single digit numbers with nothing separating them. Then the program will display the sum of all single digit numbers in the string. For example, if the user enters 2514, then the program will return 12, which is the sum of 2, 5, 1 and 4. Let's write the program. So first of all, get a series of single digit numbers from the user. For this, create a number string variable and set this equal input. Enter a series of single digit numbers. Now initialize the sum of digits variable. Create a variable sum of digits and set this equal 0. Now iterate through each character in the input string. For this we will use a for loop. For characters in number string, now check if the character is a digit. If char dot is digit, then convert the character to an integer and add it to the sum of digits variable. So set sum of digit variable equal plus equal char variable and convert the char variable into integer. So now outside the loop, at the end, display the sum of digits. So print sum of digits is the value stored in the sum of digits variable. Now run the program. Enter a series of number. Enter 1, 2, 3, 4. The sum of digits is 10. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. So it is displaying the sum of digits is 10. You can enter other series. For example, you can enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The sum of digits is 45.